Next prize, Joakim Frank. In the field of biophysics. Congratulations, congratulations. Physics, 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 3 degrees. And all applied in biology and science, in life sciences. So this is significant because SIPS is this way. We have a physics symposium, we have a mathematics symposium, we have a biology symposium. So he encompasses all these 3 fields. So this is why it's so important. And before here we're speaking together, he asked me how a biophysicist helps sustainability. And I explained that any achievement in science increase the quality of human life, and by increasing quality of human life we develop a society. This is one of the criteria of sustainability according to FLOGEN sustainability framework. So this is the award, your name in it, and the certificate. Let's go this way to have our standard picture. You can have. Yes, I'll guide you. No, you can keep this. No, okay. Yeah. Keep this, and you give me your hand, and look at the picture. You can say a few words. You can go there.
Well, thank you very much. Really appreciate to be here. It's such an outstanding event for me. I feel a little bit like an outsider, but I really appreciate that, and I'm very gratified that structural biology is really seen as a very important element in the future, in a sustainable future. Thank you very much.
So he was always an outsider, by the way. He came from physics, went to biology, an outsider. Here, he's coming as outsider, is part of the family.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, an applause.